Notion and Clickup are both versatile productivity tools that offer various features for project management, note-taking, collaboration, and organization. Here's a comparison between Notion and Clickup based on their key aspects. Interface and organization. Notion provides a flexible and customizable interface that allows users to create different types of content in a single workplace, including notes, databases, wikis, calendars, and more. It uses a block-based system that enables users to create and arrange content in a modular format. Clickup offers structured workplace with customizable views, including lists, boards, tablets, and Gantt charts. It provides more traditional project management tools organized with a hierarchical structure of spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Features and functionality. Notion is highly flexible and adaptable, offering a wide range of templates and the ability to create custom databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and more within a single platform. It emphasizes flexibility and allows users to build their workflow based on their needs. Clickup is a comprehensive project management tool with features like task management, goal tracking, time tracking, integrations, document management, and more. It offers a robust set of tools tailored for team collaboration and project planning. Collaboration and teamwork. Notion supports collaboration by allowing users to share workspaces, pages, and databases with their team members. It offers commencing, mentions, and real-time collaboration features. Clickup is designed for team collaboration, providing features such as assigning tasks, commenting, document sharing, and communication integrations. It offers various permission levels to control access to different areas of the workplace. Learning curve and ease of use. Notion's flexibility can lead to a stepper learning curve for some users, especially when exploring its advanced features. However, its simple interface and block-based system can be intuitive once users become familiar with its functionality. Clickup offers a more straightforward and structured approach to its project management, which might make it easier for new users to get started quickly. Its interface is organized and user-friendly. Pricing. Notion offers a free plan with basic functionalities and limitations on file uploads. Its premium plans are priced per user per month and unblock additional features and storage. Clickup also provides a free plan with limitations on features and storage. It offers various paid plans with more advanced features, customization options, and increased storage capacities.